Okay, today I've come to do a quick fix over here. You can see this tap is broken. We've got a new variant of these taps on the market that's got a compression fitting. So I'm just going to cut it off there, cut it off here, put on a coupling over here, and I'll move the tap up over here. And then this play an odd angle I can actually fix with some Comab pipe. A short while later, there you have it, your compression fitting and just a coupling. And the nice thing about that plastic pipe is you can bend it and give that offset. So you'll see I extended it quite a bit and it wanted to come out. This is where the pipe's on its natural resting type vibes. Up there it goes to galvanize, so it's pulling away from the wall over there. And galvanized, you don't want to flex. Well, you don't want to really flex pipes. You want to put them under their minimal strain. So yeah, easy fix.